Hello everyone. Now this is one Seagate patient 9B family hard drive. Now we can check the drive is firmware locked, and we have written unlock ROM to unlock the firmware error. So now we select the most important SYS files to backup for this ST2000DM005. Okay, so we back up the most important SYS files, the 1B and 28 and 35. And this is one remote case study for one dolphin user from Bolivia. And now let's continue checking the firmware modules, because we haven't refreshed the firmware, so the module list is empty. If we wish to check the module list, we need to exit the program here, and then we re-enter the software so we can find this module list here. Now we can see the firmware backup has been completed, so we can exit the program now, and we re-enter the software, open details, click OK. So we just need to wait a little bit, because right now the firmware is being accessed, and we can see the CP and also the module list is available. So after this one, we can try to check the initialize ID, untick the meter cache, and sometimes this one will make the drive run slowly. So we need to tick this one, disable the vacant active, click modify, and in the log window we can see the operation success. Right now we can go to check the data arrow by the logical scan, and we can start the scan to check the beginning LBA, and we can see this drive is running smoothly without any bad sectors. So this drive is good, and we can now access the data arrow. Okay, so after the firmware repair, and users can go to the DFL software control panel and go to the DFL DDP data recovery software to recover the lost data. And the DDP is especially used for data recovery or file extraction. And we can see this is the data recovery software for this patient drive. Users just need to click the data extraction icon and set up the new project for file extraction. So we can find its lost partitions here. So 1.7 TB, and this is a partition we need to recover, and also other partitions are also available here. So it's very easy to recover the lost data now. Just right click to recover the selected files. Then select the target space to store these recovered files. Okay, thank you for watching the video.